How to round image corner on Canva. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now basically I have two examples right here. This one is the rounded corner and this one has the sharper corners right here. Now to go ahead and do this, you can just go ahead and open up any designs on your Canva and you can just go ahead and upload any images you want to. In my case, I'll use this one as an example. And so right after that, all you have to do is to click on the image that you want to round the corner with. Let's go ahead and click on this one, and right above the choices right here, we then have the ability to click on the corner rounding. It's right beside the border style right here. You can just go ahead and click on it, and from here you can adjust this the way you want to. You can set it up to 100, and as you can see, it's now totally rounded. It's like an oval now. So you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to use, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.